This is the table of contents. There is a generic table of contents which is at a very high level, and it only organizes it by strand and appendices. You can see that strand number 1 is number operations and begins on page 14. Strand number 2 is patterns and relationships and algebraic reasoning, and it begins on page 98. But if you turn the page, you can see that there is a more detailed table of contents, and this is organized by topic, and it is also organized by board. So here you can see that the first lesson is place value, and it is with board number 5 on page number 16. And it will also tell you if there is no student handout for that lesson. Obviously all the skills are listed here, listed using letters and arranged alphabetically, and these are all the skill sets that are covered in each lesson. You can go through the entire table of contents, and as long as you know the strand number, you can find the topic and you can see the skills that are covered. Next, we want to move on to the lessons. What I would like to do here is I would like to show you one lesson and give you an outline as to what you can expect in all of the lessons, as they are organized in a very similar fashion all the way through the manual. You can see that the actual lesson and the board number is always included at the top. If there is more than one board, it will also say the additional boards that are included. We will give you the required materials, and in the overview we'll always tell you the TEKS and the NCTM strands, which page they are found. In this case, you can see this is the page number, and we will tell you whether there is a student activity and which page in the student activity. You can see for this lesson it is page 4. Then we'll move on to examples. In this lesson we do not have any examples. This is only a practice section, but generally there will be examples that will walk you through how to do it. We'll go all the way through here, and there's some more examples in this one. And then you can see that we do have a practice section and an extra practice section. The extra practice section is generally for students who have completed early or are more advanced and need to move on to a higher level. And generally there is more involved in the extra practice section and extrapolates a little bit beyond what the main lesson has taught.